Hi guys, welcome to today's review. It's Hola brand wall mountable landline phone. So the model is TF510 and the MRP is 899, but we get this one from Amazon for 499 only, and it is available in two color options, black and white. In the box we have handset, base, line cord and coil cord. The design is compact, fits seamlessly in the home and office setting, whether it is mounted on the wall or placed on a desk. Design and the build quality is fantastic. It's sleek black exterior that's stylish, and it's compact, ideal for the small spaces. The keypad is also well spaced, easy to use, and the main essential functions like redial, hold and mute, they are given here. Ringtone is also loud, but it's nice, it's not irritating one, and it gives clear call quality. The sound is crisp and clear. So the wire is this much, almost a meter, but you cannot walk and talk, because if you walk it's so lightweight, the base itself will come with you. So pros and cons, the sound quality is great. Every time it's a clear call. Only downside is it lacked the display, so you won't be able to see who is calling, which might be inconvenient for some user, but overall at this price point it is worth the money, especially for the basic landline needs. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.